Hello, in this video I want to show you how to scan for channels on Samsung Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the home button on your remote, move to the left and scroll down to the settings. Then select all settings, you should be able to find it somewhere on this list. Then we can scroll down to the broadcasting and there's auto tuning. When you enter it, make sure that you have any connection that will allow you to save channels, and after that you can click on start. It should begin looking for any channels, and you can also adjust the settings like aerial and channel types, and we can begin the scan. You can see the list of channels that have been found, and then you'll be able to save them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.